Tingnan nyo ito mga idol. Pinoy na susunod sa yapak ni Pacquiao at Casimero nagpakilala na. Dahil sa lakas ng suntok bagsak, lahat ang nakalaban.
Laging sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan.
Isa sa mga pinaka-aabangan ngayon ng mga Pinoy boxing fans na posibleng maging world champion. Itong Pinoy na mas malakas pa kay Casimero, ang knockout artist mula Cebu na si Raymart Assassin taga Canao. Dala ang kartadang 13 na panalo at 11 dito at tinapos niya sa knockout. Hindi basta-basta ibinigay sa kanya ang bansag na Assassin. Mabilis ang kanyang mga kamay, matutulis ang kanyang mga kombinasyon, at kapag malinis na tumama ang kanyang kamao, kayang matapos ang laban sa isang iglap. Dahil sa kanyang bilis at eksplosibong pag-atake, marami ang nagsasabing may pagkakahawig ang kanyang estilo kay Manny Pacquiao. Samantalang ang kanyang tapang at agresibong pakikipagsabayan ay nagpapaalala naman kay John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero. Matapos ang sunod-sunod na tagumpay, dumating ang pinakamalaking pagkakataon sa batang karera ni taga Canao. Isang laban para sa WBA Asia Championship. Ngunit hindi ordinaryong kalaban ang kanyang nakaharap. Sa kabilang sulok ay ang matigas na Indonesian warrior na si Hamson Lamandao. May 12 panalo at 9 na knockout. Isa ring Universal Boxing Organization champion. At bago harapin ang Pinoy, galing siya sa 2 magkasunod na knockout victory. Ibig sabihin, parehong may lakas ang 2 mandirigma at parehong kayang tapusin ang laban sa isang suntok. Ang nakataya, ang bakanting WBA Asia Super Flyweight Championship sa ilalim ng PMI Boxing Promotions. Sa unang tunog pa lamang ng kampana, agad nang nagsalpukan ang 2. Walang mahabang pakiramdaman, walang gustong umatras. Pareho silang nagpakawala ng mabibigat na suntok upang iparamdam kung sino ang mas malakas.
Number 1.
Just a correction, Rick, I think don't be confused. The weight of taga Canao
Yes.
coming in.
Canao na medyo going to this, he must settle down and try.
First title bout, of course, for the WBA Sir Eman Asahara, hindi po bout, of course, for the WBA Sir Eman Asahara, hindi po miss again, we are repeating.
May mali lang po yung screen pero pareho silang na-tip ang scale ng 114.3.
Partner, what makes this fighting is both partners are willing to open up. Like you can see here, Raymart Tagahana always brings lamang sila Mandao.
Na naalala natin yung kalaban niya mo po, what a class.
Certain.
Surely one of the candidate for fight of the year last year yun.
Raymart Tagahana,
Inside the ring.
Raymart Tagahana, this alam Mandao is not an easy opponent.
Hindi, partner, hindi.
But the upper went right. Tagahana with that right is
Pagsapit ng ikalawang round, mas tinaasan ni taga Canao ang kanyang agresyon. Patuloy niyang pinuwersa ang Indonesian na umatras.
both of the boxers. Lamanda with that right haymaker. Tagakana with that right and left uppercut. And also that use of jab by Tagakana to set up his uppercuts.
I really it called as a complete fighter. He is now very patient on targeting.
Tagakana with that right and left uppercut. And also that use of jab by Tagakana to set up his uppercuts.
I really it called as a complete fighter. He is now very patient on targeting his opponent.
That's what makes this fight exciting, partner. Like I said, both boxers are willing to open up. Both of them are willing to engage. So there's not a lot of
Nice overhand by Lamandao.
There you have it. The overhead to set up those body punches. But Tagakana, excellent body movement. Upper hook by Lamandao. Tagakana covers up, answers with a right uppercut. Center.
Hanggang sa nakakita siya ng puwang sa depensa nito. Nagpakawala ang Pinoy ng isang malinis na uppercut, eksaktong tumama ang suntok, at napaluhod sila Mandao sa lona. Ngunit ipinakita ng Indonesian ang kanyang tibay. Nakatayo siya bago matapos ang bilang at nagpatuloy sa laban.
Of Lamandao. Take to exchange partner. But Tagakano keeps on pumping on that same side, no? Unleashing that uppercut. Lamandao, not afraid to counter. Head, and then over. Another body shot.
Back home in Indonesia.
We've seen some of the weapons of both of the boxers. Lamandao with that right haymaker.
Oh, it's a slip. 10 seconds of round number 2.
Sa ikatlong round lalo pang uminit ang bakbakan. Sunod-sunod ang palitan ng malalakas na suntok. Akala ng marami, ilang sandali na lamang at matatapos na ang laban. Pero pinatunayan ni Lamandao na hindi siya basta susuko.
Boxing Gloves official, thank you for watching us. Again, that haymaker of Lamandao keeps him susceptible, no, to counters.
Nice overhand by Tagakano.
Yes, but blocked partially by Lamandao and is able to counter to the body of Tagakano.
Nice! Counter!
So again,
Again, body attack by Tagakano.
Tagakano singular mission just to pepper that body with body shots.
What a fight, partner. And we are just starting in it.
Certainly, no? Again, don't be confused. Raymar Tagakano is wearing the red and blue trunks. Hansel Lamandao is wearing trunks, ano? This is Indonesia versus the Philippines.
Indonesia and Philippines have some good matchup also in boxing. And I think this fight could belong in that category.
Certainly, no?
Oh, nice. Left to the body by Tagakano.
Our referee signaling to keep it a little higher for Tagakano. Oh, wow. Just beautiful setup for Tagakano. You see him going up
Tries to
top.
pull to the body
to
again by
open
Tagakano.
up Hamandao for that body shot.
A little bit wild for Raymart on that instant.
Good counter. Raymart always watches out for that jab, ano, to do that counter.
But the overhand did sink in for Lamandao on that. Did sink in for Lamandao on that. On that instance.
There you have it. Quick counter by Tagakano.
Just how tough is Lamandao, partner?
Oh, certainly.
Yeah.
And always unleashing punches and combinations by Lamandao. Keeping those hands active.
Warrior from Palangkaraya, Indonesia. So if we have viewers from Palangkaraya,
Stamina from this warrior from Palangkaraya, Indonesia. So if we have viewers from Palangkaraya, shout out to all of you guys. Oh, another ripping hook to the body by Tagakano and then hook up top.
What a 1-2 combination and going out for Lamandao.
Sa ika-4 na round, nakahanap ng pagkakataong makabawi ang Indonesian. Nakapagpakawala siya ng ilang malilinis at mabibigat na kombinasyon. Ngunit hindi natinag si Tagakano. Nanatili siyang kalmado, matatag ang depensa, at patuloy na naghintay ng tamang tiyempo upang muling umatake.
Just a fencing of jabs in the opening.
Oh, nice left by
Seconds.
Tagakano.
A counter to the body by Tagakano. Hamandao just constantly jabbing.
What a
Upper
nice
hook by
exchange,
Hamandao.
partner. I love the exchanges of both fighter, Payo. Do you?
Of course, I mean, they're not letting the
Yeah.
other finish. You can see they counter mid combination. Alam mo, ito yung gusto ng mga Pinoy. This is what the Filipino fans want. That vulnerability of opening up during exchanges.
And kudos also to the matchmaker of this panel.
Certainly, partner. A former champion facing an up-and-coming young gun.
Yeah.
Judicious jabbing by Lamandao. You can see he's trying to open up Tagacano, and he opens up with that jab.
That left jab of Tagacano is guns on blazing right now.
You are absolutely
What
right.
a good 1-2 combination.
Absolutely right.
What a good 1-2 combination by the Indonesian.
Certainly that landed on the chin of Tagacano.
The Indonesian are showing some good footwork on round number 4.
Certainly very active at the backfoot, partner, and is able to unleash some pretty good combinations while backing away, no?
And it's also
It's overhand by Lamandu.
And I
Oh,
like...
nice 1-2 again by
Oh,
Lamandu.
beautiful, beautiful uppercut. I like how Laman...
And I like...
nice 1-2 again.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful uppercut. I like how Lamandu also, pansin mo when he gives that combination, always, against or out of the center line. But excellent range passing by Tagacano. There you have it, the right hand of Tagacano.
Both fighters are brilliant on this round, partner.
Pagsapit ng ikalimang round, muling bumilis ang mga kamay ng assassin. Paulit-ulit niyang tinamaan ang Indonesian ng malilinis na suntok. Tinanggap iyon ni Lamandao. Nasaktan, ngunit patuloy pa ring lumaban.
Guard.
And I think the one big factor is the jab of Tagacano. It's a constant target. Well, I'm speaking about the left jab of Tagacano.
Oh, that beautiful long-range uppercut by Tagacano. That triple jab by Lamandao.
Again, the jab of Tagacano is making damages for Hamson Lamandu.
But good body movement by Lamandu to avoid that. Parang natuto na rin siya because the last sets, parang it stops the momentum ni Lamandu when he's about to unleash a combination.
Tsaka partner, kailangan gumalaw-galaw siya. Kasi kung hindi siya gumalaw, it will be a target for Tagacano. I'm speaking about the left jab.
Certainly, no?
Both fighters are taper off a little bit on the initial of this round number 5.
Yeah, this is a 10-round affair, so it's actually wise to not give it your all in all of the rounds. There are some rounds na aralin mo yung opponent, you study your opponent, you set some traps or some triggers.
Partner, kailangan gumalaw-galaw siya. Kasi kung hindi siya gumalaw, it will be a target for Tagacano. I'm speaking about the left.
Set some traps or some triggers. Kasi if you do that, if you're stepping on the gas pedal each and every round, it's gonna gas you out. I mean, we're just human, partner, no? There's just limit to our gas tank. So it's really wise for them to vary the tempo. Oh,
Number 5.
Yeah, this is a 10-round affair, so it's actually wise to not give it your all in all of the rounds. There are some rounds na aralin mo yung opponent, you study your opponent, you set some traps or some triggers. Kasi if you do that, if you're stepping on the gas,
To be the third man in the ring.
certainly. And just very good distance for our referee. Just enough to see the action, but without disturbing it, no, or intercepting it. Final 15 seconds of round 5 part.
I think both boxer, sabi ko nga, medyo nagpahinga sila dito sa round number 5. And Tagacano is trying to accelerate as we end round number 5.
Beautiful left hook by Raymar Tagacano.
Sa ika-6 na round, kapansin-pansin na ang pagod ng dalawang mandirigma. Pero walang gustong bumitaw, walang gustong umatras.
alam mo nakakatawa kasi Indonesians and Filipinos are very friendly. We always love to smile kasi you've been in Indonesia, I've been in Indonesia. Very friendly people.
But inside the ring, they have this tenacity, partner. This
Warrior instinct.
warrior instinct.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan.
We go to the start of round number 7.
Foul.
Both of the fighters are trying to size up each other again in the beginning of round number 7.
That was a good job by Lamandu. And then when Tagakanaw slipped, he slipped in that uppercut.
Lamandu is giving a dose of his own medicine by giving that left jab to Tagakanaw.
Partner, that jab of Tagakanaw is a showstopper. He just stops Lamandu right when he's charging in, no? Oh, body shot, charging in, no? Oh, body shot by Tagakanaw. Lamandu answers with
Nice
triple
one
jab
too.
and straight.
The jab is picking up right now for the Indonesian partner. Tagakanaw did the exchange.
And I like how
The Indonesian Lamandu keeps it on the center of the ring. He circles out to the left to keep it at the center. He doesn't want to be cornered by Raymar Tagakanaw. Tagakanaw, that stiff jab, beautiful.
Standpoint kanina, he is now trying to make Lamandu commit mistake.
certainly he's inching forward. Overhand by Tagakanaw that landed.
At habang papalapit ang pagtatapos ng round, biglang nagpakawala si Tagakanaw ng isang napakabigat na kanang kamao. Diretsong tumama ang suntok at matinding bumagsak sa lona ang Indonesian fighter. Nang makita ng referee ang kanyang kalagayan, agad nitong pinahinto ang laban. Technical knockout. Nagwagi si Raymart Assassin Tagakanaw sa ika-6 na round. Sa pinakamalaking laban ng kanyang karera, pinatunayan niyang handa siyang humarap sa mas matitinding kalaban. At higit sa lahat, matagumpay niyang nasungkit ang WBA Asia Super Flyweight Championship. Ngunit ang tanong ngayon, mga idol, pwede ba si Raymart Tagakanaw na maging world champion? Pag-usapan natin yan sa baba. Banggitin na rin ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino para kay Raymart Assassin Tagakanaw.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni Bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.